Hello pool players, I'm going to show you guys something here that's surprising to me, but it needs to be covered. What I'm doing here is I'm shooting this rail first shot, and I'm using this golf tee as an aim point so I don't have to alter it at all. I'm just aiming straight at that tee. Now that was a medium speed hit. Now watch what happens when I hit this lighter. See how I'd hit the rail right away? Now let's hit it a little firmer. Very interesting physics that is going on right here. I'm going to hit it firmer right at the golf tee. You see that? The first one went in, the next one hit the rail early, and the next one hit the rail up here. I'm going to show you how to consistently make that shot, so let's take a look. So now I've moved the golf tee up table a little bit because we're going to add some inside running spin or left spin to our cue ball. We're going to bring the cue ball into the 8 on more of a gradual angle instead of coming across it more. And watch how the speed affects these shots. The first one is nice and easy. I'm going to ramp up the speed a little bit. A little bit firmer. That'd be a cool shot right there in a game situation. Now a lot firmer. And one more time. Very interesting that the physics allow us to shoot at various speeds and still easily pocket this shot. I'm going to really unload on it here. Amazing. So by hitting center cue ball, the same exact shot, I can make it, but my speed has to be really good and perfect and consistent. As soon as I ramp up the speed a little bit or bring it down, it affects the shot. But with the running spin, that's not the case. So let me jump in here and explain the theory of what's going on. In looking at this shot angle, take note of angle in and angle out when we are striking center on the cue ball. Because the inbound angle is so steep, so too is the outbound angle, which forces a thin hit on the 8-ball contact point. Here's my theory as to why a center cue ball hit is less forgiving when we vary our speed. Because the outbound angle is so steep on the 8-ball, just the slightest tip variation will alter the path of the cue ball, thus not sending it to the correct ghost ball position for pocketing the 8. In knowing this, I've done two things to combat that situation. I will aim differently on the cushion and add running spin, or in this case left-hand spin, so that I increase the angle into the 8-ball and not have it be so sharp. One more thing I would like to add, when hitting center on the cue ball, varying the speed into the cushion tends to crush the cushion more, which results in inconsistency of the outbound angle. This said, I believe by adding running spin, this takes away that inconsistency. Another factor, the left running spin will negate some of the cut-induced throw as the cue ball cuts into the 8-ball. Those of you that have more knowledge of the game, please weigh in the comments section to let me know what your thoughts are on this situation. I just thought I would share this with you. Quick video. Leave some questions and comments in the comment section below. And if you want to watch my other video on rail first shots, watch this one right here.